Hello everyone, I'm here with my next video on the chapter The Great Escape. This chapter is about Shivaji Raje Bhosle, who was a Maratha king. Shivaji was the great Maratha king. Shivaji Raje Bhosle or Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, who was born on 19th February 1630 in the hill fort of Shivneri in Maharashtra. Shivaji was a powerful and brave ruler. He posed a great threat to the Mughals and the Nizams. Even when Mughals were constantly trying to suppress him, Shivaji did not bow down. He fought back courageously and tried to save his land. The Maratha king, Shivaji, posed a threat to the Mughals who ruled North India. Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb sent a large army under Raja Jai Singh of Jaipur to curb or to stop Shivaji. When the Mughals captured many forts, Shivaji conceded to a truce or an agreement. Shivaji, with his son Shambhaji, went to Agra to sign the agreement or truce. He was asked to come to Agra to meet Aurangzeb and draw up the truce. There he was given a warm welcome by Raja Jai Singh's son Ram Singh on the 11th of May 1966. Shivaji was furious at Aurangzeb because he dishonored Shivaji. He ignored him and made him stand among the courtiers. So when he was ignored, in anger, Shivaji walked out of his palace. Shivaji and his son were arrested and held captive in the royal guest house. When Shivaji did not hear from Aurangzeb for 3 months, he decided to escape from Agra. He pretended to be ill. When he got better, he requested that 2 big baskets of sweets be delivered daily to the poor and the holy men. When the sweet baskets were leaving the guest house, they were checked by the guards daily. When this became a daily routine, the guards no longer checked them. Then one day, Shivaji and his son hid in the baskets and escaped. He escaped to Mathura and, in the disguise of a holy man, via Prayag, Bundelkhand, and Golconda, he reached Raigad. Shivaji reached his kingdom 2 months later, reorganized his troops, and recovered all the territories that he had lost. He was crowned as the Chhatrapati on 6th of June 1674. So this was the story. Let us read about Maratha king Shivaji Raje Bhosle as a whole. Shivaji was a powerful and brave ruler. He posed a great threat to the Mughals and the Nizams. Even when the Mughals were constantly trying to suppress him, Shivaji did not bow down. He fought back courageously and tried to save his land. When Aurangzeb laid siege on many of his forts, Shivaji decided to agree to a truce. This shows that he was a very practical ruler and was worried that his land would be taken away. To save his land, he did this. Shivaji's self-respect was evident when he got furious for being disrespected in Aurangzeb's court. He did not wait for the truce. He chose to walk out. While in captivity, Shivaji came up with the brilliant escape plan. This shows his presence of mind and intelligence. This is called a pure strategist. He patiently waited for his plan to work. He also had a sound knowledge of the human nature. He knew that someday the guards would stop checking the baskets and that would be a chance to get back to his own land. So this was a short character sketch of Shivaji Raje Bhosle. I hope you like this video. It's a simple one, a nice story, and please, if you have still not subscribed my channel, press the subscribe button and even the bell icon for the latest notifications. Do take good care of yourself. Bye bye.